Welcome back to PMM Workflow Lab. If this is your first time here, this channel is about practical AI workflows, small business automation, and simple systems you can actually use. Before we get into today's workflow, remember to click subscribe. And if this video helps you, share it with another business owner who is tired of losing track of leads, quotes, and follow-ups. Today is going to be a little different. Instead of showing one small workflow, I'm going to show how the pieces fit together into one simple AI workflow system for small business. This is the system I would build for a business that gets customer inquiries, prepares quotes, sends follow-ups, and needs a weekly view of what is happening. The goal is simple. Stop letting business opportunities disappear because the information is scattered. Here is the full system. First, a lead capture workflow. Second, a quote preparation workflow. Third, a follow-up reminder workflow. Fourth, a weekly dashboard. These four parts work together. The lead capture workflow makes sure every inquiry lands in one place. The quote preparation workflow turns messy customer requests into a clean checklist. The follow-up workflow makes sure open opportunities do not die after the first reply. And the weekly dashboard shows what needs attention before the week gets away from you. This is not about replacing people with AI. It is about using AI to organize the work, draft the first version, and reduce the amount of business that gets lost in email, texts, notes, and memory. Let's start with the first part, lead capture. Every new inquiry should land in one place. If leads are coming through email, phone calls, Facebook messages, random notes, and website forms, you need a basic intake system. That system can be as simple as a form and a spreadsheet. The form captures the customer name, contact info, what they need, deadline, and notes. The spreadsheet tracks the status, priority, next action, and follow-up date. Then, AI summarizes the request so you can quickly understand what the customer wants. That is step one. No more scattered leads. Step two is quote preparation. This is where AI becomes useful without becoming risky. AI should not decide your price, but AI can help organize the quote request. It can summarize what the customer wants. It can identify missing details, it can create a checklist, and it can draft a customer reply that asks the right questions. For example, if a customer asks for 500 custom labels, that may not be enough information to quote. You may still need size, material, finish, artwork status, deadline, and delivery details. AI can help flag those missing pieces so you do not guess. That is the point of the quote prep system. Respond faster without making things up.
Step 3 is follow-up reminders. This is where a lot of money gets lost. A customer asks for a quote, you reply, then they go quiet. If there is no follow-up system, the opportunity can disappear. The follow-up workflow fixes that. Every open lead or quote gets a status and a follow-up date. Then the sheet shows what is due today. AI can help draft a short message, not a pushy message, just a helpful check-in that moves the conversation forward. This is how a simple spreadsheet turns into a basic sales system. Step 4 is the weekly dashboard. This is the control panel. Every week, you should be able to see open leads, quotes sent, follow-ups due, delayed work, and invoice issues. Then AI can review the dashboard and give you a short Monday action plan. What needs attention? What should not be ignored? What are the top 3 priorities this week? That is what a dashboard is for, not decoration. Decisions. When these 4 pieces are connected, the business starts to feel more organized. A lead comes in. It gets captured. The request is summarized. Missing details are flagged. A quote reply is drafted. A follow-up date is set. The dashboard shows what needs attention. That is the workflow system. It is simple, but it solves a real problem. And this is where PMM App Development LLC can help. If you run a small business, print shop, shipping operation, local service company, or e-commerce workflow, and you want this built for your business, PMM can help map it out and build the starter system. That can include a lead tracker, quote prep sheet, follow-up tracker, AI prompts, and weekly dashboard. The first step is a PMM workflow audit. That means looking at how your leads, quotes, follow-ups, and tracking work now, then identifying where simple AI workflows can save time or prevent lost opportunities. If you want that, use the contact link in the description. You do not need a massive software project to start. You need a clear workflow. One place for leads, one process for quotes, one follow-up system, one weekly dashboard. That is the foundation. If this helped, share the video with another business owner who needs a better system. And comment below what the part of the workflow you would fix first. Leads, quotes, follow-ups, or weekly tracking. Remember to click subscribe. I'll see you in the next PMM Workflow Lab video.